Hi y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to be building a few P70 coaches, specifically the third of a batch of three that I made to go along with my Broadway Limited Imports E6, as it would have looked around the 1940s and 50s. Alrighty, now first before we get started, I just want to say all the models that I used for this I got off of Thingiverse, and I'm going to link most of them in the description with an overview of what I did with them. I had to cut a few pieces of each off and do multiple different parts, but I'm going to link those in the description. And I'm going to be sharing a little bit of history on this class of passenger cars, so stay tuned for that. Alrighty, let's get into the build. The B70 was the first of Pensy's 80-foot all-steel coaches. Over 1,000 of the cars were built by Altoona and several other car builders between 1907 and 1929. The early cars featured 88 seats, but as of 1926 they were built with 80 seats. Depending on the builder, some vestibule door windows were one solid panel, while others had a vertical divider. A group of cars built by the American Car and Foundry had a larger vestibule window. The prefix P designates a passenger car, a coach specifically. The 70 designates the length of the passenger compartment, as it was an 80-foot car with two 5-foot vestibules. Now, with all the sanding, painting, decaling, and final touches finished up, it was now time to test it. With a little bit of teething issues and some added weight, I think I've got it to work. And I'll leave you now with the sounds of a NW2 pulling this whole train along. Alrighty. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye.